Y'all, I was so excited for this wig, but it was so poorly pre-plucked. Like, it literally looks like somebody lined me up. And like, I don't want to do a middle part because like, look at how blunt it is. Oh my god. And bro, I was so excited to show y'all how good I can do a wig. Like, look, it's definitely giving scalp. And I wanted to show y'all to the fullest extent, but someone lined me up. And another thing is that this wig was like too big for me, so I had to bring the hairline forward, and like now I have an actual forehead and I miss my 5'1". Whatever, we're gonna add a baby hair and call it a day. So I'm trying to part it. Ugh. Ew, why did the wax stick leave that residue? Okay, so this is what we've got. I'm gonna wax all of this back and wax this down. And now we are going to cut at an angle. Wait a second. Oh, what's the angle again? Okay, I got it. We're gonna do it like this. I got a fresh edge brush. I'm gonna go in with my Got To Be hair gel. Oof, I hate this stuff. And we are going to lay this down like so. Oh my gosh. Great, I'm going to my leasing job with sticky bangs. This looks horrible. I'm like trying to pluck it, but I literally do not know what I'm doing, you guys. Y'all, I'm just gonna keep doing this and see what it does. I have work in 30 minutes and I am not even dressed. I'm over here trying to fix my head. This is gonna have to do, y'all. Whatever. I forgot about this part because the lace is kind of showing here, so we are trying to make another edge right here. I am going to die. Okay, and now we're gonna go in. Get this. Swoopity. Whatever. What do we think?